make some pumpkin soup. Nuna yo kene how zhao chua dalu tang no. So you can make this for your grandparents and be a good grandkid. Make sure you have an adult help you. You'll need a pot, fill it up halfway with water. Next, you will cut your pumpkin up into small pieces. Now that the pumpkins are chopped up into small pieces, we're going to put them into the pot of water. After that, you're going to put the pot onto the stove and then turn the heat to medium-high. Then just let it sit until the pumpkin is soft. Make sure you have an adult help you with the stove. Once the pumpkin is tender, you can add a little bit of sugar if you want to. Now that the soup is all cooked up, we're going to try it. Is it good? Yeah, it's yummy. It's really good. Yeah, it's good. It's really tasty. Yummy! Now go make it for your grandparents and let us know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And give it a huge thumbs up. And remember, be kind to others. And make a new friend. Bye-bye! Today, we are going to be showing you how to make a burger.
Don't burn.